loading up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me.
A bloop, bloop, bloop. Tow truck time. Tow truck time. Alright guys, what's up? So we just launched out of Crandon Park. It's Sunday. Every single marina was a shit show today. We got lucky to be able to find a marina, a parking spot here at Crandon Park. But I'm riding with Juan. We traded props. I'm running a 4-blade 26 Rev 4. And he's running a 28 Bravo. He's probably a little faster than me. It's about 2 to 3 feet out here in the bay, so we're not gonna be able to open her up, guys. We're just gonna go to Nixon, which is just 5 miles or less, a mile away from the marina. Miss Boat Vibes wasn't in the mood to drive her boat today, so I'm her personal private captain for the day. Corin, you're on camera duty. Let's see how she takes off. I hate this prop. Hey, that's the first time we stop away. First time we stop away. That's how choppy it is today. I have never done a video here at Nixon Sandbar, so here you go. Look at this. Look at this. Woohoo! Living that good life. Woohoo! This is the Miami lifestyle right here, guys. Look at this. Hey guys! Hey! You guys are living the life! What's up? Damn, look at this, bro. Look at that. A good looking boat. Hey, to my defense, he's running my prop. He gave me the shitty prop and he got my good prop. No, wait, I'm gonna turn around. Watch out. Here, man. Yo.
Careful.
All right, guys, look at the vibes. Yes, sir. It's a beautiful day in Miami. All right, look at that. If you guys didn't know already, this 36 Avanti with triple 300s, brand new V8 Pro XS is for sale. I have a few videos with it. It's an 80-mile-an-hour boat. Check it out if you're in the market. Imagine being 18 years old with a 21 skater and a 250 Pro XS. This guy's single, ladies. If you want a young guy that has a boat, I highly recommend this guy right here. Hit him up, Juan. Send him a DM. Good looking boat. Everybody's enjoying themselves. Hey, hey, hey.
What's your slide?
Boat vibes.
Huh?
Boat vibes.
Go by.
Yeah. Pretty big already, 20K. Just got to 20K today.
Alright, congratulations.
Thank you, guys. Hey, for all of you who have subscribed, thank you. Today we reach a new milestone, 20K. Woo! So, thank you guys. Really appreciate it. Look how beautiful the day is. Yes, sir. Miami living.
Yeah.
Miami living 305. That's another good YouTube channel you guys gotta go check out. Miami living 305. Hey, why's your boat so slow, bro? You got one of the slowest 21 skaters.
He's gonna keep talking shit until he goes back to edit this video and he's like, oh, I gotta delete this.
No, all I know is that I'm gonna have to put beep,
Not
beep,
you.
beep. You know how it is, boys talk. But imagine, guys, 18 years old with this beautiful 21 skater that he bought himself. Papi didn't buy it. He bought this himself. So congrats, bro. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna go for a quick little ride around Miami. Then we're gonna head home. Yeah, I can't go faster though, but I am ready.
It's a little sporty.
Pretty sporty out here. That's the first time we stop it, babe. Water's gonna love it. Water's like, I want to see when you first stuffed the boat. Well, we just stuffed it twice. go. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Living their best lives. I thought this guy was at anchor. Hey. What's up, guys? Yeah. Woohoo! Damn! Yeah! Miami lifestyle. There we go. I'm putting myself in a shit show just so I can get some good content for you guys. So make sure to drop the like button.
Drop a comment.
Comment down below.
What do you want us to do?
So I would say 100% of these yachts and small cruisers are all charter boats. So here you guys can see the variety of the Miami charters, and you can see the captain on top, first mate. Thank you, thank you. In Miami, as long as it floats, you can charter it. So look at this thing. Here we go. There we go. See me. Look at see me. We're having this big boy break our wake. Yes, sir. Oh, he's going that way. Subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.